to all my friends out there. So now I need some dinner. But I don't want to waste a lot of time and money cooking. I just want to... I bought a lot of nice stuff at Aldi's. I bought this insulated cup at Dollar Tree today. I found this stuff to be pretty good. It's not significantly cheaper, though, than Perrier. It's very festive. Okay, so now what? Okay. I bought some black beans and I heated them in the microwave. I bought them at Dollar Tree. See, they have the nice big cans. So what I want to do is start creating nutritionally dense food that doesn't require a lot of work. So I heated my black beans. See, they're still hot. I want to make a salad. Okay, with beans you need two things. Onions. It's going to taste very blah without onions. And I need some, for sure, a little bit of salt. Onions with no salt is really bad. Not too much because I'm using the coarse salt. And then I want to add a little dry, it could be fresh cilantro. Enough so I'm going to be able to taste it anyway. And then I have some frozen corn that I heated. So let me get this out. So I have my carb and I have my vegetables. And if I don't eat it all, it's going to be still good. Okay, you could stop right there. This would be good. But I bought these Cactus at Aldi's. I don't know if they have them everywhere, but they're kind of like you could use jalapenos. So I'll just put a few in to like flavor. You could stop right here. This would be good. This would be a salad that if you brought it to a party, I'm sure everybody would like to eat it. Okay, now what I did was I ground these in the blender. So what I want to do is I want to put this salsa on top of my, let me mix it good. I don't remember putting pepper. I like to actually taste the pepper. Okay, so now here is my salad. And now I want to put a little, I want to encourage you guys, use what you have and, start, being creative. Don't waste your salsa. You can use it for tacos. All right, so there is my black bean salad. Now, this is a great meal. Okay, I told you guys, all of my life, I would work a lot of times from 8 in the morning till 8 at night, and I have no memory of my life. No, that's okay. All's well that ended well. So what I made was some tasty herb chicken. Yesterday I got this chicken at Aldi's, 79 cents a pound. I rinse my chicken in water with salt, and then I rinse the salt off to make sure there's no germs or bacteria. Ooh, yummy. Now let me show you my herb chicken. Someone said they couldn't find the mixed herbs at Dollar Tree. I might have gotten them at Ralph's. This is good, you guys. So what I did was I drizzled my chicken with oil, and then I sprinkled a lot of herbs on the chicken, and I roasted my chicken at 350. The only trick to this is don't be in a big fat hurry. Now let me get some of my my black bean salad. The thing about this is, it's a lot of this. You have the black beans, hopefully, in your stockpile. You have the corn. It doesn't have to be frozen. I find the price at Aldi's to be really reasonable. Now, let me give you a close-up of this. This can be anything. But why I like this is it has your tomatoes. I'm going to be doing some food with vegetables and beans. Not as good, you guys. What would be good about this is that it's so simple, kids could make it. And once you start finding your food cheap, you know, like at Aldi's, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please press the notification bell. Happy holidays, and God bless you all.